Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be learning how to change the bass in the Spotify app in 2024. So without any delay, let's begin. First of all, you have to open the Spotify app from your mobile device. And once you have opened your Spotify app, search for the profile icon which is located on the top left corner of the screen and simply click on it. Now click on the setting and privacy option which has a gear icon in it. From the setting page, search for an option saying playback and simply click on it. Now you have to search for an option saying Equalizer and click on it. Now from here you will be given access to different options on how you can change the sound. If you want to increase the bass, simply click on the option saying Mega Bass, or you can tweak the sounds even further. For that you have to click on the option saying Equalizer. Currently it is switched off, but there are different presets. From here you can change different options depending upon your sound preference. So this was it guys. This is how you can change the bass as well as other different sound properties in the Spotify app. So if this video was helpful for you guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.